Guys, so today I'll be teaching you guys how to convert PDF to AutoCAD drawing. So first of all, let me open the new page. So first, you guys need to do something that is you need to import. That is from here. There is something called as import through PDF, or you can just keep use the arrow button, down arrow button, file enter. There's something that I have a PDF of. So let me give it okay now. So once that is done, yeah, it takes time. Yeah. So once this is installed, we first of all know that this column is around 150, 150, right? So let's measure it once. TLI. Let me measure it from here to here. Yeah, 198. So 198, I need to convert it into this thing. To 150 now. So how do I do it now? So it's a simple. There is a simple way out now. So 198. We need to get 150. So 150 divided by 198.98. So it turns to be 0.7538, something like that. So what you guys can do is Control A, just go to scale SC. Now 0, comma 0, enter. 2 you need to multiply by 0.753844607, enter. So once that is done, you can do something like DLI, enter, measure from here to here, check the distance, it turns to be 150. So this is how we do it. And if you guys want to check out whether whatever you have done is right or not, you can do even, let's measure from here to here. So from here to here, check the distance. Turns to be 167, yeah, 3679.65. If you multiply 12 feet into the thing, get that value. So if you guys want to check it out, let's do that also. So feet to it turns to be 12 now. 12, 12 feet. So 3657, 36, somewhere between. That is fine. 36,759 and this thing 3657. So this is how we do it. If you guys want to check it out again, we'll check it from here to here so that we can just confirm whether we have done it right or not. Here to here, F8, from here to here. Check this out. How much is it? 4246. That is 16. 4246, somewhere between. So this is how we do it. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.